Photoshop Project 5 calendar cover. This is Stage 1, Managing Missing Fonts. To start, you need to have downloaded and expanded the calendar folder into your WIP folder, and when you open that up you will find that there is a single Photoshop file in there. You can double click that to open it up in Photoshop. You may or may not get a warning about missing fonts. If you have for some reason these fonts available to you, the Adobe Font Library will find them and resolve them, but particularly if you have upgraded to the version that's new, the 2021 version that has just been released, you're not going to get that warning coming up. Take a look at your layers and you're going to see that there is a logo layer. We have 3 typeface layers and we have an image of fireworks and an image of the ballet dancers. We're going to select the spring summer layer, pick up your type tool and click within the spring summer layer, and you're going to get a notification that the ATC Maple Medium font is not loaded. If we choose to replace or to manage this type in this dialog box, we're not going to get the options that we want. So if I click on Manage, I'm going to get a drop down and I'm not going to get anything outside of being able to replace this with Myriad Pro and the last used typeface that I had selected. So I'm going to cancel out of that and try it again. If I choose Replace, I will actually get to access everything and replace this, and actually we can go ahead and do that. I'm going to select the entire line of text that's available. I'm going to change the typeface up in the control panel to ATC Garnet Medium, and then click the Commit button. I'm going to do the same thing with the calendar. I am going to first of all click to replace the type, but I need to select all of it because when I hit replace it defaults off to the Myriad Pro, and I would like to instead put in the ATC Garnet Ultra and then click off to the side, and I can save my file. I'm going to actually do mine a save as and save it as Ballet Cover Complete so I can keep my original in my folder.